Hip hinge is a foundational movement pattern that forms the basis for many strength training exercises. Unlike more familiar exercises like the push, pull, lunge, and squat, it often gets overlooked. Master the hip hinge early in your strength training journey in order to avoid strain and injury. A hip hinge involves a forward and backward movement of the upper body, keeping the hips level. The primary joint is the hip joint. The gluteus maximus and hamstrings are the main muscles involved, while the erector spinae stabilizes the spine. How do you know you're doing the hip hinge incorrectly? Number 1. Not feeling it in your hamstrings. Number 2. Knee bend. Number 3. Excessive forward lean. Let's cover 2 exercises that use the hip hinge. Focus on your form. A deadlift involves a hip hinge at the start, followed by a hip extension and then another hinge. If the hip hinge is missing, the lifter's butt will rise first. A Cabell swing begins with a hip hinge, followed by a quick hip extension as the weight swings out. When hinge is incorrect, the lifter will have excessive knee bend. Here are the 2 hip hinge drills that worked for me.